So today we're gonna do those forks. And why? Shit. Let's get them done today. Maybe us. Much easier to unscrew this one and that one on the bike. So the best way to do unscrew this one, the other one on the other side, and then obviously with your socket unscrew that one on the bike. And then once that's unscrewed, what you do is just then check the bike up and drop the forks. Bit sketchy, but it's out. Join both of them, and then obviously I'm going to take them apart. The top one, I'm going to remove this off the wag. To do that you need to pull a torch, you need to hit it, and then to remove it you need to go clockwise, like if you were screwing in, but this reverse thread has to be clockwise. Put it back is anti-clockwise. I don't think I'm going to be able to do a video of doing that because I'm by myself, but I think there's a video on YouTube showing them doing that, hitting that, and then removing this from the station. Cool. That's off. So now we got this special tool. I'm sure you all have seen it, but where does it go? Very simple. Where it goes. So let's see if I can do this by one hand. Go. If I take this off, you should be able to take the leg all the way back, but not, it ain't coming out because you got some bushings in here. I could just pull it, but it's a bit a challenge. So what I'm gonna do is, it's easy for me to take this off. So that's the holes for the tool. There you go. One on that side. nice. This is Bitcoin anyway. And yeah, always wear gloves. Boom. Oop. There we go. Bullet torch. The reason you have to use a bullet torch is because it's got the Loctite in there, so you need to melt it. That's just rubbish, dirt. But because it's got Loctite, you need to use the bullet torch. But you don't need to. If you're going for the seals, unless you got the seal tool, you really don't need to take the top, unless you're gonna change the shock. If you're gonna change the shock inside, you're gonna have to use this method. And then you got algae on the top. Come on, focus. Oh, I can't focus. There you go. Algae. There you go. Put it on. I'm gonna put everything back together. Clean all this. Put some Loctite again, and then tight everything back again. So that's how we use the tool. And boom. No, that's not all this. There you go. There you go. Oops. Hot, hot, hot. There we go. We got the tube all nice and well. I'm gonna clean again in a minute. Got the leg. Like I said, unless you want to change for the shock inside, the spring I mean, then you have to remove this one. That's the leg, top cap, the seal. It's going to bin, retainer, oil seal, better days. Spacer, that's first bit there. Then we got the new seals. Okay, so the other side is pretty much the same thing. Well, I'm gonna do the same thing. Remove the leg, take everything apart, and then obviously replace this. This, and then everything back on. The other one is already there. Drain. Okay. Boom.
Feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me,
the other one was a bit harder than this one, just quite loose. So I'm gonna carry on with this, and like I said, I'll finish when it's finished. Do another video putting everything back on the bike. There we go, done. The only thing I need to do now is just put oil. Check this one. basically the tools you need to do the job. Obviously, if you're not confident to do the job, it gets them into do anyway. Tools in our do this, or done this, but not that much works. For a long time, I'm just going to start asking to do this. I think the oil is 221, I think, per leg. Just gonna check the oil chop manual. And yeah, we'll stop the next video. That is gonna be with the water pumps on the bike. It's sketchy, but it's the job anyway. Clean that with brake cleaner. And the next video, like I said, is gonna be looking back on the bike. Catch you in a second. That's it, done. Boom. Everything's up to spec. That's it.